In this video, I will show you how to compress PDF file size. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and prepare your PDF. Now after that, go ahead and open your browser and look for ilovepdf.com. So on ilovepdf.com, simply click on compress PDF and then upload your PDF file from your local drive. So simply select the PDF file that you want to compress from your local drive and then hit on the open button to be able to upload that file to ilovepdf. Set this to extreme compression to be able to compress the PDF file size. Now, as you can see in here, you will be able to find how much compressed the PDF file has been through the I Love PDF tool, and that's basically how you can compress PDF file size. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.